Ever wondered how much a Boeing 787 makes per flight? It's more than you think. Let's do the math. A 787-8 can carry about 242 passengers. On a long-haul route, say London to New York, the average ticket is around $1,200. So, 242 passengers times $1,200 equals $290,400 in revenue on just one flight. But we're not done. Let's talk costs. Fuel? Around $40,000. Crew salaries? Roughly $10,000. Airport fees, maintenance, food, etc. Add another $30,000 to $50,000. That's a total cost of around $80,000 to $100,000 per flight. So, profit? Anywhere from $190,000 to $210,000 on a full flight. Like and subscribe for more airplane economics.